y'all, I'm back. Yes, I missed 2 days. I did. I missed 2 days of Vlogmas. But I'm back on track. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this vlog off with an unboxing because I'm about to use it. So let's go ahead and open this box. I got a new air fryer. Can y'all see right there? Yeah. Okay. Let me go ahead. Oh, and I did buy this during the Black Friday sale. Okay. Oh, and it was only 50 bucks. Okay. Oh, and it's by the same brand as the espresso maker. It's the Gourmet. So let me go ahead and let me get the scissors. No. Okay. There we go. Alright, so let's open it. Because this is a huge box. So I know already that I'm going to have a hard time finding a place for it to sit. Because this looks pretty big. Especially in this box. I don't want to sit right there because that's... Alright, let me bend. Oh, so upon opening it, the first thing I see is this book. So it actually comes with a manual and a recipe book, which is pretty cool. So let's see. Alright, let's see how to get this out. Let's bend it sideways. Oh, shoot. Okay, so it's huge. Where's this gonna sit? Okay. There we go. So get this all down. Let me turn it around to face y'all. Ooh, so nice. Look at it. So nice. Pass it off. Ooh, look at that. Okay. So let me go ahead and take my camera cut off. Anyways. Oh my god. Hold on a second. It is kind of huge. Okay, so now I need to figure out where it's going to sit because it is big and we use it a lot. The kids use it a lot. So with that being said, I need to leave it out. But let's go ahead and read the instructions and hook it up over here. So too bad for my coffee bar. Because it's all this stuff up there now. Well, not the groceries. Let me put these over here. Alright, so not the groceries, but yeah, look. Oh my gosh. Not so cute anymore. So let me put it down. Let's see. That's on. So I just turned it on. And I'm going to, oh look, it has air fry. You press air fry and then you can press fries, wings, bacon, seafood, or vegetables. So since I'm going to do this bag of shrimp that I got from Sam's Club, I'm going to do seafood. So let me go ahead. I wish I had the liners. I'm getting on Amazon like right now to buy those liners. So I'm gonna go ahead and place them all here. Should I turn it? Let's just wait and see. It has 5 minutes left, so we will see. Okay, so this is how my shrimp came out. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but it is golden brown, which I like it like that. Okay, so while I was waiting for my shrimps to get done, I ordered some liners off of Amazon. I ordered 2 different kinds. One was flat, kind of like parchment paper, and then the other one was like round, like a basket. Well, not round, but rectangle. Because look at this shit, I'm pissed. Now I gotta clean it. Okay, Jayla, wait, before we put yours in there, I'm gonna clean it. Okay.
The water.
Cause look at it, y'all. Just off of one use. Look at this. Why you need the liners. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Look at that. What? And I just got it. Oh, the baskets aren't hot. But you see this? And I gotta clean both baskets.
When you make a bottle?
Oh my God, yeah, we need the papers. We ain't using this again. Jayla, get the old air fryer because I didn't throw it away. I'm not gonna use that air fryer until we get the liners because that's messy. So what I'm about to do is I'm going to vacuum them crumbs from out of the cracks because the crumbs went everywhere. Then put it. I'm just not gonna use it. It's just gonna sit there until we get those liners. Yeah. Okay, so hey y'all. I don't know what day it is. Well, I know what today is, but I don't know where I left off because I started recording and then I didn't pick it up again until today. So, but today is the 13th and I do have a few things that I'm gonna be doing. You know what? I'm sorry, y'all, I'm distracted because I got the nosiest neighbors ever in life. Literally. They're literally in their patio looking dead at me right now while I record. I wonder if they can even see in here. Probably so because the lights are on. But so yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm in the kitchen because I'm gonna go ahead and give the espresso machine a go. I haven't had the chance to try it yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And y'all, why am I just watching Siren? The show, I'm watching it on Hulu and it is so good. I'm on season 2, episode 5. I've been binge watching that in the bed, just laid up lazy for like some days now. Not only because I just wanted to be lazy, but because my foot been bothering me. But this show is good, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and make me a latte or maybe a cappuccino. I don't know. We'll decide as I'm figuring out how to use it. And then I'm gonna finish this episode.
Trying to keep you safe.
So let me pause it so I won't miss it. Hold on. Look, y'all see? I haven't even opened it yet. So let me see how to do it. I did watch, I think his YouTube is the coffee guy or the coffee dad or something like that. I did watch a review that he did on this machine that he got, and he said it was pretty good, and it looked pretty easy. I kind of remember everything that he did, but I just wanted to make sure that I'm not missing anything before I give it a go. So I do need these parts though. So let me get these parts. I remember I stuck them in here. So I need this thing that came with it. I need this that came with it. Oh my God, I'm crazy. I don't know what. I'm looking for something that don't even exist. I forgot it's right here. It's literally on the machine. You know, the thing that you got to fill the coffee up with. Okay. All right. I told you guys I'm not in the mood. I'm like right here. It's always so dark in this corner. But guess what? I got a light. Okay. There, that's better. Oh my gosh, that's so much better. Okay, so let's see. Where do we start? So I'm gonna pull it out like this because I need to fill the water part. So I'm gonna go ahead, rinse this out, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm just reading the top. Okay, so it says fill both reservoirs with water. So what do they mean both? Oh, so I gotta press this. Ugh, I just wasted water. I could have just okay, now it says to take this out. Is move the frother over the water. It's too big. Okay, let me get another one. How about this one? Perfect. Okay, now it says press clean and let cycle run till it's ended. Okay, press clean. All right, let's see how that goes. Hope I'm doing it right. They said pull it till you can't put it no more. So I think that's good. Oh, this was the scooper, okay. Okay. But I think you do like that. To pack it down. Okay. Then you put this. I'm gonna put some creamer in my cup. Okay, there we go. Turn it on. And I'm going to make a cappuccino. Let's make a cappuccino. Single. Let's see how it works. Let it finish doing its drippets. Ooh, look at how pretty. I might have put too much cream, but let's see. Mmm. Cappuccino. Oh my gosh. You want to taste it, Jayla?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. That was so good. Okay, y'all. So it was so good. Jay wants one. I let them try it. It is really good. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make Jay one real fast. All right, y'all. So we are going to repot one of my plants. I got this off of Amazon. Okay, so here is my fiddle plant. Look at it, y'all. It's not happy. It's drooping. And some of the leaves are already brown, but some of them wasn't. And it lost a lot of leaves so far. Maybe like, I want to say like 5 leaves already. And I don't want it to lose any more, and then it's going to be bald-headed. So here it is. Set this one right here. And then here's the pot. This is the one I got from, I think it was Ross or Burlington's, one of them. I got this one. And I really want to use this one, but it don't have holes in it. And if this doesn't work out, I'm going to go ahead and, I think that should fit. But if it doesn't work out, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to have my husband put holes in the bottom. And then I'll just put a bowl down here for the watering, and then transfer it directly into this pot. See, I think it can fit. I'm just gonna like size it up. Let's size it up. I think it should be fine. Okay. Go ahead. So I'm not gonna fill it all the way up. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the bottom. Maybe like a quarter of the way. Let's see. Oh, this damn plant. This shit is literally like all roots. That's probably why I was suffering. Okay, so I am gonna have to cut it. Okay, y'all, so I am back. Yes, I did a few things. I've been postponing for a while now, but I did get something for Jayla. Let me show y'all. Yeah. So I saw these on Amazon. I saw these on Amazon. So freaking cute. I put some of these refrigerator stickers on the refrigerator, but I'm gonna clean it first. But I thought these were so cute. Like she can put like the little stars and the gifts on the refrigerator. It has Merry Christmas. Can you guys see that? And then it has a snowman with a little sign that says welcome, and then a whole bunch of like snowflakes and stuff. And then, what does this say? Come on. But there's a reindeer, and then there's a little elf. So I'm gonna go ahead and let her put these on, but I need to clean the refrigerator first, the outside. So turn y'all over here so y'all can watch me clean it. It's real easy. I don't really do much to the refrigerator, honestly, because what I've learned is that the stainless steel, if you keep using like the stainless steel cleaner, it gets like, what is it called? Like too much of it. Over time it gets in like grooves and it doesn't get it clean. It's been having like streaks and stuff. So what I've been doing is cleaning it with hot water and a paper towel, and that works really, really good. So basically what I do is I wet a paper towel. So I get some wet paper towels and then I get some dry ones. And then I take the wet paper towels and then I just go in the direction of the grooves that are in the stainless steel. All the way across, just like that. And then I do it on the other side, making sure that I get all the fingerprints and the sticky stuff that's on it. I don't know how to explain, like, what it'd be like residue. That's the word, residue. Like when you're using the stainless steel cleaner, it leaves too much residue on it. And then if you keep cleaning it with it, it just keeps adding more and more residue. So this is the way that I've been doing it. Then you take the dry paper towel and then you just go and you dry it. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Let me put y'all closer. Look at that. And I only did this side so far. But look at how clean it's gotten. It's gotten it. So I learned that you don't need to keep adding the, look at that. And all shiny and stuff. Okay. Just plain old water. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, let me get Jayla. So, come on, Jayla. Let's go ahead and let's put these stickers on, girl. So, I want to put the reindeer. I think you just pull them off. Come on.